MarsCat is a robotic pet developed by Elephant Robotics, designed to mimic a real cat using AI and advanced robotics. It's a fully autonomous, programmable, and interactive robot cat that responds to touch, voice, and movement. MarsCat is safe for people with pet allergies. It doesn't shed, scratch furniture, or require a litter box. No feeding, cleaning, or vet visits. MarsCat features OLED eyes that display various expressions, helping convey its emotions and enhancing user interaction. It responds to voice commands, touch, and visual cues. It has a personality that develops over time based on user interactions. Developers can customize behaviors using Raspberry Pi and the Open SDK. MarsCat offers companionship for people who can't keep real pets, such as the elderly, those with small apartments, and those with pet restrictions. It is useful for learning robotics, AI, and programming, especially in STEM education. It can connect via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for updates and control.